Prior to changing the HEMOLUNG cartridge, collect the following supplies: disinfectant solution, HEMOLUNG rinse back kit, HEMOLUNG cartridge kit, sterile scissors, 1 500 milliliter bag of saline, 2 30 milliliter saline-filled syringes. Begin by assembling and priming a new cartridge with blood tubing. Next, clean and disinfect a 30 centimeter length of each blood tube, starting at the catheter barb connector and moving towards the cartridge. Reduce the pump speed to approximately 500 revolutions per minute. Press the Stop Pump button to stop the pump. Once the pump is stopped, it is important to complete the remaining steps as quickly as possible to decrease the risk of blood clotting. Close all 4 clamps. Cut the blue and red tubing between the tubing clamp and the catheter barb in the area that was previously cleaned. Insert a luer adapter located in the rinse back kit into the red and blue tubing located at the end of the catheter barbs. Use the luer adapters to flush the catheter while changing out the cartridge to prevent the catheter from thrombosis. When ready to connect the new blood tubing to the catheter, cut away the luer adapters from the red and blue tubing. Insert a barb-to-barb connector into the tubing that remains on the catheter. Using a wet-to-wet technique, connect the blue and red tubing from the new cartridge to the catheter. Once the connection is complete, make sure all clamps are open. Press the Start Pump button to restart the pump and resume therapy. For complete instructions, refer to the HEMOLUNG RAS instructions for use.